Right, so there's one point I want to make here, and that is that gang stalking is about the long term. Okay? It's about getting money in the long term. Bringing in policies in the long term, that makes a lot of money. When you start off a business, you invest a lot of money in it, you build it up, then you go public with it, and you start making money. It's the same thing they're doing. All these people are investing a lot of money. A lot of these things are integrated, and a lot of members are interconnected. They work. They work at more than one place. They consult. They're consultants from more than one place. And it's all connected and integrated and stuff, right? So when you see the merger, there's a certain element of fascism going on here. There's certain principles of communism at play here. The merger of, the state and big business, in a way that is reminiscent of fascism and elements of communism. We're not going to get into that, okay? Especially when we talk about National Socialism and how it overlaps with communism, which is very similar to socialism. But anyway, so when you look at what is going on, they're setting the stage to bring in policies that's going to make Big Pharma billions of dollars. So basically, these people who have billions of dollars laying around, they spend tens of billions every year on marketing, have come together, put in millions of dollars at least to gang stalk people to make sure that their future profits are secured. They're securing a future for Big Pharma. Why we have a bunch of unorganized and controlled opposition talking about psychiatry and Big Pharma. These people are cementing their future. They're securing their future profits. That's why they do this. A lot of you say, well, it doesn't make sense that they use all this money, and you speculate who it can be. At the end of the day, who it is, it's the bankers, it's Big Pharma, and they have certain policies in place that will make them rich. The bankers want a return on their loans. They want their interest payments, almost guaranteed. And the Big Pharma wants their, drug profits almost guaranteed. That's what this is about. Yes, it does make them money. You just don't see it because you're not thinking long term. They are. You're not thinking the bigger picture. They are. You're not looking at all the way these things are all connected, and society is connected all together with the government and secret society membership and, psychology and people that work in different places, work for the FDA, then retire and go work, then leave their job and go work for Big Pharma. You're not seeing how it all connects together. They do. You're just a pawn that's going to bring them a whole lot of money in the future. They're going to profit from your pain. Okay? They put profit over patience, and they're going to profit from your pain, I assure you. And the only thing that can stop them is breaking down their mind control over the most violent members of society. If we get, former military and the most violent gang members, thugs, martial artists, all these people that they manipulate using women and money, to break free and to strike their real enemy, all this shit ends quicker than you would think. Okay? So we need to get women to do the right thing. For all this to happen, we need to get women to do the right thing. We need to put pressure on gang members and everybody who sees himself as a tough guy not to be a controlled opposition bitch. This is what needs to happen. Thank you.